National President ke NPP Baderu Umintri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma Rengkat u National Vice President Pak Preston Tensong Haka Sautarik Unailar Arajar Arpuar ke Laptiang Buram Yoba Malcolm Tariang Uwain ni kinong yalam bala pau baha bat airing tengru haki election baladap na Laitumkhrah constituency. Hakani kesengi lai don langru MDC ke Laitumkhrah bat ukuram jongka MLA Shillong East ba Fantin Lakadong nangta kapara jongka MLA Shillong East kong Jasmine Lingdo nalor kiwe. Nakaliang kihe ka parti kilapan skem ru ya ka NPP Shillong East nakabentaban pinkre ya ka election MLA kabanlong hau arajar arkulai.
I remember trying my best to get Ba Malcolm to join the NCP that time and requesting him that he should be the candidate of the NCP during that period. And in spite of all the efforts I made, I didn't succeed. So it was very difficult to convince him because he's a very, very straightforward and a very committed man, a man of principle, and a man who always believes that if he said something, he sticks with it. And to tell you, it's difficult in today's world sometimes to find people like Professor Malcolm Tariang. But I'm telling you this because I had experience with him for the last 15 years, 20 years, talking to him and trying to convince him to come, but he wouldn't. Because he had his commitments, he had his principles, he had given his word, and he continued to do what he thought was correct in his mind and what he thought was correct for his people. And that's why today, for Professor Malcolm, I should say, to be here today and join the party is a great, apart from the happiness that I have in my heart. The day he came to my office, I think I must have had the longest hug with him, I think, compared to anybody I've had in a long time. And that was just because of the sheer happiness that I had when he joined or he decided to join the party.
On this occasion, I never expected that the Honorable Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, Vadon, and all these dignitaries will be here to welcome a humble person like me in this meeting, and I thank them profusely from the bottom of my heart. But I would also like to confess that this is not the first time that we have met and discussed the politics, joining this party or that party. I've told Sir Conrad that if there's one regret that I have in all of this, what has happened today, only one regret. It's that Sir P.A. Sangma cannot be here with us physically at this moment. But I'm very sure that he's looking down on us. He has blessed the NPP family, and I'm very sure that he'll continue to bless our efforts. We are human, we make mistakes, but I'm so happy to see this party forge on ahead in spite of the various challenges that it has to meet from time to time. And I feel personally that this day is a very special day, because I think, if I'm not mistaken, sir, I think it was 3 years ago, I think in the month of June 2019, that the NPP was declared a national party. Now that is a huge thing. It has been declared a national party by none other than the Election Commission of India. Don't mind me saying this, but the NPP had almost been decimated at one point, where they had 2 MLAs. Now to come up from that point to this point of governing the state of Meghalaya, and also being presented with the status of a national party,